حبك للشعب ودادا ليكن حبك للأرض بدادا ليكن يومك للشعب ودادا ليكن حبك للأرض مدادا
Everybody here is, you're sitting here, you're listening because you want to follow what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says. Somebody gives you some advice, you're like, yeah, but what does the Quran and Sunnah say? Somebody tells you, hey, do this and that, you'll be successful. And you're like, did the Prophet ﷺ really do that? Is that what Islam leads us to? So you have this type of attitude. So sadness and anxiety is actually not what Islam guides towards. Sadness and anxiety is not what Islam guides towards. So sadness and anxiety could be natural. You can have natural sadness, natural anxiety, but Islam guides you towards happiness. Don't be sad. As we saw in the other session, there's this emphasis that Islam is about لا تحزن, don't be sad. ألم نشرح لك صدرك ما أنزلنا عليك القرآن لتشقى. And Islam guides towards happiness, don't be sad, and anti-anxiety, peace.